Window installation in Covington is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Covington residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance, making them ideal for Covington's climate. Double-hung windows in Covington offer a classic look with modern functionality, perfect for any home style, especially when paired with replacement doors. Covington. For those seeking window installation services in Covington, expert window contractors are available to address any issues, from minor installations to complete window glass replacement. Custom windows in Covington provide a tailored solution for unique architectural designs, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Bay window installation in Covington adds elegance and space to any room, while casement windows in Covington offer excellent ventilation and unobstructed views, complementing replacement doors. Covington beautifully. Covington window frame replacement is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows, preventing drafts and water damage. Sliding windows in Covington are a space-saving option that provides easy operation and a sleek appearance. Window contractors in Covington are skilled in all aspects of window maintenance, ensuring your windows remain in top condition year-round, alongside reliable replacement doors. Covington. Window sealing services in Covington are vital for preventing air leaks and improving energy efficiency. Covington window insulation further enhances your home's comfort by reducing heat transfer and noise. Window caulking in Covington is a simple yet effective way to seal gaps and cracks, protecting your home from the elements, just like properly installed replacement doors. Covington. Covington window hardware includes a range of options to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Window screens in Covington are essential for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Covington window tinting offers privacy and UV protection, preserving your interior furnishings from sun damage and working in harmony with replacement doors. Covington. Window glazing services in Covington provide an additional layer of insulation, improving energy efficiency and reducing noise. Covington window weatherproofing is crucial for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions, ensuring your windows remain durable and effective. Window security in Covington is a top priority, with various options available to safeguard your home, including reinforced replacement doors. Covington. Covington window styles range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Window measurements in Covington are precise, ensuring a perfect fit for every installation. Covington window upgrades offer the latest in window technology, enhancing both performance and aesthetics while aligning with modern replacement doors. Covington. Replacement doors in Covington are also available, providing a complete solution for your home's entryways. Residential window services in Covington cater to all your window needs, from installation to maintenance and installation. Covington energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce energy consumption and improve indoor comfort, just like high-quality replacement doors. Covington. Vinyl window installation in Covington is a popular choice for its affordability and long-lasting performance. Double-hung windows. Covington offer versatility and ease of cleaning, making them a favorite among homeowners. Covington window installation services are available for all types of windows, ensuring they function properly and look their best, especially when combined with replacement doors. Covington. Covington window installation services are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether you need window glass replacement or window frame replacement, our expert window contractors in Covington are ready to assist. We specialize in window sealing services. Covington, ensuring your windows are airtight and energy efficient, alongside professionally installed replacement doors. Covington. Energy efficient windows are a must-have for any home in Covington. Our Covington energy-efficient windows not only reduce your energy bills but also enhance the comfort of your home. With our window insulation and window caulking Covington services, you can enjoy a draft-free environment, similar to the benefits of insulated replacement doors. Covington. Custom windows. Covington offer a personalized touch to your home. Whether you're interested in bay window installation Covington or casement windows Covington, we provide a wide range of window styles to suit your needs. Our window measurements Covington ensure a perfect fit for every window upgrade, complementing custom replacement doors Covington. Window security Covington is a top priority for homeowners. Our window hardware and window screens Covington provide added protection and peace of mind. Consider window tinting Covington for privacy and UV protection. Our window glazing services Covington enhance the durability and efficiency of your windows, while window weatherproofing Covington ensures they withstand the elements, just like secure replacement doors Covington. Vinyl window installation Covington is a popular choice for its durability and low maintenance. Our window contractors in Covington are experienced in installing a variety of window styles, including double-hung windows Covington and casement windows Covington. With our Covington window frame replacement services, you can refresh the look of your home with ease and match it with replacement doors Covington. Residential window services Covington cover everything from window installation to window upgrades. Our Covington window styles range from traditional to contemporary, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home. With our window measurements Covington, you can be confident in the fit and finish of your new windows, especially when coordinated with replacement doors Covington. Window maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your windows. Our Covington window maintenance services include window sealing, window caulking Covington, and window insulation. Keep your windows in optimal condition with our expert care, while upgrading curb appeal with replacement doors Covington. Bay windows and casement windows Covington add elegance and functionality to any home. Our bay window installation Covington services provide a stunning focal point for your living space. Casement windows Covington offer excellent ventilation and easy operation. Choose from our wide selection of window styles to find the perfect fit for your home, paired seamlessly with replacement doors Covington.